Right, a few bit more complicated orders operations involve negative numbers. So let's have a look at this one. We have 6 plus 4 times negative 2. Okay. Now remember, do not do 6 plus 4. Do not add those two together first. Remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, we're going to do the multiplication first. So, 4 times negative 2. Right, remember there's one negative there, so 4 times negative 2 will give me negative 8. Okay, that is negative 8 right there. 4 times negative 2. So I've done that bit. Then, I'll write this in front. What is 6 add a negative 8? Well, if you look at a number line, okay, you've got 6, okay, you're going to go down 8. Alright, that will take you to negative 2. 6 add negative 8. Now think about it, you're adding more negatives, so the answer is going to be negative. Alright, there's a lot more negatives than positive here. The answer to this is negative 2. And that's the answer to that one there. Okay, so let's have a look at some other ones. How about this one here? Okay, so I'll erase that one. Okay, I can see negatives again. Now again with this one, remember you're going to do a parenthesis first. So the parenthesis is 6 take away 10. So what is 6 take away 10? Again, you are taking away a bigger number. You're going to go down into the negatives on the number line. 6 take away 10. Well, 10 take away 6. Opposite, just switch it. 10 take away 6 is 4. So 6 take away 10 is negative 4. So that is negative 4. Okay? That's the parenthesis done. I will then divide it by 2. So I know that 4 divided by 2 is 2, but negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Okay, so there's another one. Let's just erase that one. Any more in here? Let's have a think. Let's try G. Let's look at G. Okay. So, subtracting, okay, here it is. Now there I can see I definitely need to do this exponent first. So I have a negative 2 being multiplied by, right, now what is 3 squared? 3 squared is 9. And then I will take away 15. Right? There we go. That's it. All I've done is the exponent. What's next? I've got subtractions at the multiplication. Right, now that is a negative 2 times a 9. Again, I know that 2 times 9 is 18. Because it's negative 2 times 9, there's one negative in it. It's going to be negative 18. Then I'm going to subtract another 15. Now, be careful this one. You are already way down the number line at negative 18. You're going to go further down it another 15. You're taking away another 15. You're going to go much further down the number line. Now, the way to think about this is what if I had 18? Woo, 18 plus 15. Okay, if I do it like that, they're all positives. 18 and 15 is 33. Well, this is going to give me negative 33. I mean, just think about it. Okay, negative 33. You can always put in your calculator to check. Okay, because what we've got here is things of the same sign. Now, if I go back up here and think to myself, right, this is positive 18 and positive 15. It's going to give me positive 33. If this is negative 18 and negative 15, the signs are still the same. Okay, so I'm going to add the numbers and keep the sign, and that's the whole idea behind this. When you see, when you're adding things of the same sign, you add the numbers and keep the sign. Even look at this: negative 3, negative 4. Okay, there we go. Same sign. Add the numbers. 7, but negative 7. Okay, think about that. So there's a few examples of orders of operation involving negative numbers. Whether I can look at any more of these, maybe I'll have a look at I, last one before we kind of cut off. So, right, let's just bring this up a bit. I, okay, so we have a negative 7 plus an 8 divided by, okay, so here we go. Here is a parenthesis, which I'll do first. 5 take away 7. Remember, 7 take away 5 is 2. 5 take away 7 is negative 2. That there is negative 2. I'm taking away a bigger number. I'm going to go down into the negatives on the number line. Right, so I got that. Because I write the rest of it. There's a division sign. Whoops. There's a division sign. There's an 8. There's a plus. There's a negative 7. Okay. Well, the next thing I'm going to do is this division. Alright, so 8 divided by negative 2. What's 8 divided by negative 2? Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4. But again, one negative, it's negative 4. Okay, so I have 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. I've still got the negative 7. Now you can write the plus in if you want to. Okay, plus. But the idea behind this is that you are adding things of the same sign. So whether you put that plus in there or you don't, you've got things of the same sign. What's negative 7? I don't multiply this. Alright, negative 7, add a negative 4. What's negative 7? Another negative 4. That's negative 11. Okay, so we'll hold it there.